And if I want to know the distance between 2 points, ChatGPT to help me estimate what the distance will be. So I'll just write this. I am 6 feet tall, that is 1.8 meters, and I want to know the distance between 2 points, having taken 6 steps from the starting to the ending. So the system will now calculate this for me. My height is 1.8 meters, and my approximate step based on my height is 0.415 times 1.8 meters, which is that. Then I've taken 6 steps, so the system is now telling me that the distance between those 2 points is 4.48 meters. So that's what ChatGPT can help you do. So now I have an idea of the steps that I take and the distance between my steps. So I could always multiply that with the total number of steps I've taken to get the approximate number of distance between those 2 points.